We've driven 55 kilometers, passing through beautiful landscapes of farms, hills, and greeneries. And we've ended up to this place. Domain Chandon Winery is a remarkable destination as it showcases picturesque views, and we've come to experience their splash of wine tasting that was on show in their tasting room. We were wowed as we tasted our way through their collections of sparkling wines that we've enjoyed so well.
$35. Was it $35? Yeah, this one here. 10% for 6 bottles. It's okay. Is this part of the one of the premium?
Yeah, this would be the third one.
The third one, is it? Yeah.
Premium. So it's like a slightly fruitier style.
Yeah. Okay. Can I have? Ilan ba rin may isa? One. Can I have 3 of that?
3? You
Yeah.
sure can. Gifts for Christmas, are they? Or for you?
For ourselves.
Oh, good. You deserve it. You work hard.
After the 8 months lockdown, we deserve it, don't we?
Yeah, absolutely we do. Did you come out from Melbourne today?
Yes.
You got a lot of international tourists and big groups, and now
Yeah.
it's a little bit nicer, a little bit less busy sometimes.
Were you busy for this day? Because it's the weather's.
We were.
Yeah.
We were full, but even though it doesn't look that busy, that's the amount of people we're allowed to have.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
105 it'll come to.
Ano sabi mo? Ano, that's like 3. Dalawa sa akin sa kanya. Okay. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank
for
you
coming
very
out.
much, Norris.
See you next time.
We're still free to go around after 4:30, yeah? All right, thank you.
We'll have people here till at least 5 o'clock.
All right. Okay, thank you.
Sorry.
Very beautiful place. It's a vineyard.